Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of the new videos that I do, normally at least 2 a week. I'm a bit late this week, but suffering from bronchitis, which you can probably hear in my voice, but hey, we're still alive, so onwards and upwards. And in this video today, we're just going to continue on what we did last week, which is probably about 7 days ago now, when I showed you how to leverage the websites that have massive traffic already. And because we all know that the most common problem in affiliate marketing is to get traffic to our links. At the beginning, you have nothing, you're basically treading water. Yes, you can pay for traffic if you want to, but when you're first starting out, a lot of us would prefer just to try and generate our own traffic, our own free organic traffic. So the reason why I did these videos is to leverage the websites that already have the traffic, so we can get a share of this traffic. Not really hijack it, but just to get a share of it. They've got the traffic, we want some of that traffic, and in these two videos I showed you basically how to do that. Now the first video that I did was the free version. Showed you how to do that for free. But I did have I received a message from Peter. Thank you, Peter, for that. Who wanted to know why I mentioned Ahrefs in the beginning of the last video, but I never used it in the video. And the other reason I didn't use it in the video because I want to show you how to use a similar system, free system, using Google basically. Google search. So that was the first video, but if anybody did want to have a look at using Ahrefs in this other option, this is the video for you. So as in the first video, we're looking at Quora. This is where we're going to get our traffic from, Quora.com. As you can see, 552 million visits every month, so major traffic we can tap into. So here we are inside Ahrefs, and as you can see we're on the Site Explorer in the dashboard, and I've just put in Quora.com, and it basically brings us to this page. This is the organic search. But like I say, Ahrefs is a paid service. You can do the $1 a day deal for a week, $7 for a week. And it's well worth doing that. After that, you'll be just put onto the normal subscription, which is $99 if you're on the light, or I think it's $179 on the standard. If you're just starting out, it's a lot of money to pay, but very powerful tool. Many things you can do with Ahrefs to help you get more traffic to your affiliate links and make more money online. Simple as that. I recommend you just do the $1 a day. I mean, what's $1 a day? $1 a day. Just get used to Ahrefs. Give it a good hammering for a week, and make a decision. Just you can cancel at the end of the week. You won't be charged anymore. You don't receive a refund on your $7 trial. Once you commit yourself to that, that is it. You're in for the $7. But if you don't want to continue with it, just make sure you stop the subscription before it comes out of it. On the 8th day. Right, so here we are inside this organic keywords option, and we're going to put in our keyword in here, which is dog training. We've got 1,677 dog training question answers from Quora inside Google, and you can see the positions here somewhere outside the first page, which is not ideal, so I'm just going to change this. So I'll do 1 to 10, apply. So a bit less now, but everything here is on the first page, and this is going to get most of your traffic. And you can see the volumed traffic here. That's basically the monthly traffic volume for that particular question answer on Quora. So you can see they all really mount up quite a lot of traffic. You can see you can really drill down here if you want on the volume. Let's go I don't know, 102. 100 to, no, that's not, let's go 2,500. Oops, put that in there. Right, so we're on now only 23 now, which is what we want. We really want to drill down and get the best options, all the high traffic on the first page of Google. So that's probably why it gets the most traffic. And you can see some of the arrows here, which tells you basically what's going up. That was 29th of September. But it's moving up the organic search. Some are moving down. Might be with something to consider. But all this is absolute gold. What we got here? How should you protect? How much do pet smart training classes? What do they typically include? Let's find one that's moving up. So that was position 4. This has been moving up. Let's have a look anyway. Let's look at the question. So this is 9 answers, but it's getting good traffic. So 9 answers is not too many. Oh, and now you can see it was right to tell her that it's moving up, because now it's number 1. Absolutely top of the page. So if you've got any products you want to push, any free ebooks promoting free dog training, this is the place to be, isn't it? You want your details on there, right at the top, for number 1 on Google. And that's the beauty of Ahrefs, how it can find these things. I mean, let's suggest that we're got some free dog training ebooks we want to give away. Maybe to join a mailing list, or maybe as a free option, and then move them on to a paid product in a funnel. So dog training, dog training ebook. Let's see what comes up. If anything, no, it's probably the volume. So let's cancel that. See if that changes anything. Oh, here we go. Right, free dog training ebook. Position number 5. Only 2 answers. So this is an ideal place to promote your ebook, isn't it? On there. And there it is. What number is that? Forget the top ones. Add. So there's your first, second. So it's in 3rd place. First page of Google, number 3, and there's only 2 answers. So this would be a great place to put your content here, because it's very, very specific. Are there any good free dog training books? Yes, yours. So you can put your details on there, and that is an excellent way of drilling down into, let's clear these positions, using Ahrefs to find all these wonderful keywords. Set the dog training ebook away. So you can see how you can drill down from 1,677, which is on google.com, obviously India, google.co.uk 91 lists. You can basically look at all these. This is the UK. So if you geographically want to promote geographically, you can. In the UK, all these questions in the UK, So there's all sorts of ways of using Ahrefs to leverage all the traffic that they get. All sorts of different ways. But there you go. This is the paid version of the leading on from the free version that I did last week. So thanks again for Peter for bringing that to my attention. So we covered this now. hopefully. I might use Ahrefs for different things as well in the future, do different videos. If you did want to give it the... I'll leave the link in the description below for this Ahrefs. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a link to the 7-day $7 trial. But well worth having a look just for $7. The most you can lose is $7, and it might open your eyes and give you some really good places where you can drop your content again and again and again. Just answer some questions in detail, and then put a link to your website, not to an affiliate link, of course. Otherwise, they'll just ban you. Your link won't be there for long, so it's absolutely pointless. But you can see how you can drill down from all these. A lot of them are on. If you're not on page 1, I wouldn't really worry about it. I wouldn't target something on page 2, like this one here, page 14, because you know it's just not going to get the traffic. And you can see the volume basically is 50, as opposed to, well, that's number 8, first page, it's 150, and that's the way it is. Unless it's something very, very specific. But there you go. Have a look at Ahrefs. I recommend that you just try it for a week and get the most out of it. Really hammer it if you want to, and hopefully you can make a little bit of money in that first week, and you may decide just to carry on using it, or come back at a later date once you have made some money. Anyway, that is it for today. I hope you got some benefit from this video. Sorry about my voice. Just getting over bronchitis, but wanted to get this video out for you as quickly as I could. But don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and click the notification bell. And like I always mention, if you're interested in high ticket affiliate marketing, which is what I do, I've done a free course which you'll find in the description below, how to make $1,000 plus commissions promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products. Well, that's it for today. Thank you again for your time. My name is Mark Anthony, and I'll see you in the next video. Look after yourself, take care, and see you next time. Bye for now.